Ready, blueprint.
Bobblehead. Ang pedometer ay inimbento para makasense ng body motion o para bilangin ng footsteps kapag naglalakad o tumatakbo ang isang tao. Pero sa challenge na ito, ilalagay yung pedometer sa noo para bilangin ang paggalaw ng ulo ng contestant at kinakailangang makagawa siya ng at least 88 hits. Kapag hindi ito nagawa sa loob ng 1 minute ay maaari kang ma-eliminate.
Christine, for bobblehead, kailangan maka-88 hits ka to win this level. I want to remind you... Oh, may pupuntahan ka pa?
Oo eh. Lakad ako eh. So,
I want to remind you, you have 1 life left.
okay.
Okay? Kung sakaling hindi mo makuha to, you win 5,000 pesos pa.
Okay.
Pero sana, sabi mo nga, pinaglalabaran natin dito is 1 million pesos. Christine, good luck. This is Bobblehead Level 3 for 25,000 pesos. Christine, you have a minute to win it. Good luck.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Once again, sa bobblehead, kailangan 88 hits. Okay? Good on, headbang, headbang. Yan. Hindi talon, headbang. Yan, go. Headbang, headbang, 88 hits. Yan. 30 seconds. Kailangan headbang. Go. Headbang. Hataw. You need 88 hits. 15 seconds. Ulo lang. Ulo lang. Up. Kinailangan natin for bobblehead ay 88 hits. Christine, ikaw ay naka 72 hits.
Level 3 failed. Your game is over.
Ako ba yung nag-headbang ngayon lang?
Nangangasar ka kasi!
Sabi ko kanina, di ba, headbang. Ito ang headbang. Ginawa mo, dolphin, gano'n. Napakalayo nun. Tsaka, ganun yung ulo mo, gumaganon ka. Kaya nga bobble legs mo nakalagay dyan. Ang gulo mo. But still, palakanan, Christine, you're taking home 5,000 pesos.
Okay lang. At least may congrats ako.
Well, sayang. At yun na po si Ms. Christine Reyes. Thank you very much once again for guesting.
Welcome. Thank you rin.
Thank you very much. Once again, palapakan natin Ms. Christine Reyes.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you very much.